Welcome to our channel. If you want to create a Facebook business page to promote your brand and connect with customers, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Log in to your personal Facebook account at facebook.com. You need a personal account to create and manage a business page. Step 2. Click on the Pages option in the left sidebar menu, or go directly to facebook.com/pages/create. Step 3. Click on Create New Page to start setting up your business page. Step 4. Enter your business or page name in the designated field. Choose a name that clearly represents your brand. Step 5. Select the most appropriate category for your business from the drop-down menu to help people find your page. Step 6. Write a brief description of your business explaining what you do, your products or services you offer. Step 7. Click Create Page to finalize the basic setup of your Facebook business page. Step 8. Add a profile picture and cover photo that represent your brand. Recommended sizes are 180 by 180 pixels for profile and 820 by 312 pixels for cover photo. Step 9. Complete your page information by adding your business hours, contact information, website URL, and location. Start posting content and invite people to like your page to build your audience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.